Hey there, Vinny from Project Frugal. Another fortnight, another $1,000 into Denise's portfolio. Let's see what she's bought this time. Let's get into it. So $33,364.77. That is up from $32,126 a fortnight ago. So there's actually been, well, shock horror, an increase of $238. Whoa, not including the actual money that's gone into this portfolio. Well, that's good. It's about time. So let's go and see what she bought. She bought Heartland Group Holdings. And incidentally, that was a good stock to buy because it went up 4% yesterday. So that's definitely going to help. That's definitely going to help. We'll go and have a look at the chart. You can see that big gap there. Let's go and have a look at it. Are we going to squeeze right to the end? Well, we're going to go back a couple of days at least. Down $4,300. It's now down $3,600. So a big improvement in the last couple of days. I think the US market went up yesterday, or, well, today in terms of New Zealand time anyway. Carrying on as they do. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's go and have a look at the portfolio here. So with the addition of another $1,000 into Heartland Group Holdings, that's now balance is sitting over $2,000. If we just go back and have another look at the shares over here, you can see this is episode 37, so $37,000 have been put into this portfolio. The other $1,656.83 is actually dividends. So that's the dividends being added onto the thing. The simple return, it's still pretty depressing reading, really. It's, you know, almost negative 10% on the actual money invested into the portfolio. But you got to say, over time, there's no reason why this is not going to break even and carry on and actually start making some money. And of course, at that time, the portfolio will be in place and will actually start earning some decent dividends. Back to the portfolio here. So not a lot of movement there, but in terms of today, fantastic day, up $442.19 on this portfolio. 9 gainers, 3 losers. I think I might do a little bit more work on this website though, but that's all good. And if we go and have a look at the dividends, let's go and have a look here. What do we got there? So there's the $1,656.83, so it's out by 9 cents, but that's okay. Bit of rounding differences there. This year certainly has been an improvement, up to $1,170. I'd be expecting at least probably another $250 to $300 for the rest of the year, pushing this up closer to $1,500, which will be good for the year. $1,500 every year if we don't take the money out. So I don't think that's going to happen. The share allocation, well, it's probably not good for the financial services because I did say in the last video, I think we need to reduce this, but what do? We put more money into financial services. Never mind. At least it's up at the moment, so that's a good thing. And let's go and have a look at the NZX50 charts. So the week has been up. This is positive. It's all been doom and gloom for the last few episodes. Well, many episodes, literally since the start of the year. It's been going down and down and down. But it's nice to have just a little bit of an upturn, just for a change. And you can see even though in the last month there, you know, it's lower than it was at the start of the month, well, 30 odd days ago. But it's just nice to have a little bit of an upturn again. And eventually it will go back up. What will be invested in next time? Well, it's hard to say. We'll just have to see how the market's moving, what's happening. Maybe it'll be bumping up this Australian Foundation Investment Company Limited, depending on what Australian stocks do. And that's basically a company that invests in the Australian stock market, lots of their mining metals and all that sort of stuff, their raw materials, as it were, just to get that over $1,000. That's looking like a reasonable sort of bet at this stage. Who knows? We'll see what the market's doing at the time. There's another quick episode updated and completed. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learnt something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And we'll see you in a couple of weeks for the next in this series. See you later. Bye-bye.